So isn't it just
Yeah.
safer if we make it a policy to just always fasten our seatbelts?
Especially pag mahaba yung flights.
Actually po, especially for the long flights, the reason hindi rin yan siya actually a regulation is because of knowing the limitations of the body as well. Although we strongly recommend that you keep your seat belts on all the time throughout the flight. But then there are situations wherein you need to go to the comfort room, you need to stretch your legs and all these things. We recognize human factors. That's the reason we allow every now and then passengers to be moving around. Pero naririnig nyo rin po yung usual na sinasabi ng mga flight crew, including the flight attendants, that they suggest to keep your seatbelts on. Dahil may mga ganito po, katulad ng Singapore Airlines, it came without warning, as stated by the pilot. The turbulence came without warning, and this is actually unprecedented. I mean, the level, the intensity of the turbulence coming in without any warning, that's unprecedented. We experience turbulence every now and then because of the current weather situation in the airspace. But this is the first time that their statement is that they have clear skies and yet they experience the turbulence.